All right, our window was leaking, so we removed the paneling. Still a little wet there. We're going to spray some bleach water on there just in case so no mold gets in. Then we also removed the floor. We're going to also be replacing that. You can see what it looks like. And we removed the ivy border that was going across here. Okay, today was paint day. We got this Valspar from Lowe's. We actually got a gallon and it didn't take anywhere near that, so we have a lot left. And this is Bayside, the color we got. There's a lot of spaces not painted because that is where cabinets are going to go. Top and bottom. So we went ahead and put just a brown sheet over the part that was all wet after we sprayed it with bleach water to make sure there's no mold. So that turned out well. Painted. Can't even tell. Then we have this part that we also painted. And this part behind the couch. We had some rotted pieces we had to fix as well. We've started to put our flooring in. We got this vinyl sheet flooring at Lowe's. It's a 12 by 12. And we have a lot of cuts to make, so it's fun. Here's what it looks like so far. Alright, the floor has all been laid down. It looks so good. It looks so different already. Stay tuned.